Leaving a reasonable safety distance when driving is essential to allow you to react to hazards safely. We usually consider the space between us and other vehicles, but what matters is time. It takes about 1 second to notice a potential risk in front of you, and another second to react, hit the brakes and slow down. This is why you need to maintain at least 2 seconds between the car in front of you and your vehicle. To measure, wait for the car ahead of you to pass a set object, tree or light pole. After it passes, start counting. 1001, 1002. If you reach that same object before you reach 2, you are too close. The 2-second rule applies in normal driving conditions. When driving a large SUV or in bad weather, add at least 1 more second.